Caro amici, abbiamo visto tanti cambiamenti.
Oh, I'm the one that speaks Italian. We're trying to tell people about the changes in the real estate market.
I thought I was the Italian one. Welcome to Boring Real Estate Stats, everybody. It's Clinton and Fab. This is your May version of 2021. So, big news in real estate. For May, this month, there was 4,268 sales, whereas of May of 2020, there was only 1,485. It's a 187% increase, which is a record-breaking month for real estate. At the same time, though, if you've been following Boring Real Estate Stats for the last few months, that's actually a 13% decrease from April. So as we've said the last few Boring Real Estate Stats now, is that the market is slowing. It's still a great time to sell. It's still a seller's market, but you know, statistically over the last few months, it's definitely slowing down.
What do you think people should do?
I think if you're thinking of selling, get it on the market immediately, because there's still not that much supply and there's a lot of buyers out there, but we are starting to see it slow down.
Yeah, for sure. And then I think that leads us into the sales to active listing ratio. So with that, what we're seeing is that, as we mentioned in the past, that anything over 21% is a seller's market. We saw detached homes actually fall to 29.8%, townhomes at 53.8%, and condominiums at 43.5%. So in those stats, you see that they're still all in the seller's market, but the detached homes has dropped from a short few months ago, we were seeing a 70%, or around 73, I think it was.
The absorption rate was crazy.
Yeah, and so what that means for you, the seller, is that right now we're seeing that the detached has slowed, and that has to have a trickle effect from what we've seen in the past over the many years of experience that we have, that it has to have a trickle effect to townhomes and condominiums. We haven't seen the trickle effect yet. So if you do have an investment property, you're thinking about selling it, or you're trying to get those last final touch-ups to your place ready to sell, I'd say give us a call right away so we can sort of walk you through a more detailed analysis of this to decide what you should do and what you shouldn't do to get it on the market. Because I think the key for you is, if you're looking to sell, you want to be on the market as soon as possible to get the most amount of money, especially if you're an investor and that's just an investment property you were thinking this is the right time to sell it, I want to hit it at the peak.
Yeah, or if you're thinking of downsizing too, right?
Yeah.
You want to get as much money as possible. Townhomes are still holding strong more than the other ones. So.
Yeah, we've noticed a lot of multiple offers with the townhomes and some condominiums, but we're also seeing another thing that I think is interesting for people to know is that even though some of the homes we've listed as of late have not got multiple offers and they haven't gone crazy like they were 2-3 months ago, people are getting good numbers. They're getting good asking price, like close to their asking prices, good offers, I mean. And I think that's important to know, right?
Yeah, for sure. So it's just a different strategy we have now, as different than previous ones, right? Anyway, if you have any questions, give us a call. Hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah, we're happy to answer any questions you might have. Give us a call anytime.
Ciao
amici!
Ciao bella! How's my Italian?